This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, Course C, and I'm on the lesson Chase Game with Events. Can you write a program that makes George, actor 1, so that's the computer name for him, actor 1, move to Olive the cat and say, "Hi there." Ooh, now they're combining stuff. When George reaches her. Okay. So here's our run block, and this is where we drag our code. Oh, now look at this. When actor 1 touches actor 2. Okay, wait a minute. So let's one thing at a time. We want to move towards the cat. So I'm going to grab the move towards, and George was actor 1. I'm going to move right. Let's try 100. Okay, now we ran into Olive. Say hi there. So when actor 1 touches actor 2. So if I want him to say hi there, when George reaches her, I want him to say hi there. It looks like this block will detect when I reach her. So instead of attaching it up here, I can go Olive will say hi. Actor 2 will say hi there when actor 1 reaches actor 2. So she will say hi when he reaches her, I think. Let's try. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.